Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Asnit. Today I went ahead and used the Matrix palette again. I did want to go ahead and play with the greens today, so that's what I went for. I'm going to go ahead and lower this down because it is making my face look pretty green, just because the light, you know, see? Woo. But anyways, so obviously I wanted to play with the greens today. I am doing something a little bit different and I am using my phone to record this. I have no clue where I'm supposed to be looking right now, so I'm just kind of trying to pay attention. So definitely let me know if you watch my videos on the regular basis, if the quality is okay. I'm just having some troubles with my Canon battery. It's getting a little difficult trying to find a replacement battery with the holidays. So yeah, hopefully I can get one soon, but for now I'm just gonna try and use my phone. This is what the inside of the palette looks like, and obviously I went with the greens and this gold shimmer right here. It is so pretty. I really love this palette, so I will continue to say thank you, Madeline, for sending this to me. It is amazing. So it is kind of interesting trying to film on my phone. I keep getting notifications, so it's kind of throwing me off a little bit. I think we're doing okay though. Or I think I'm doing okay. Hopefully I'm doing okay. I'm getting really excited because it's less than a week until we leave for Alabama to spend the holiday with family, and I'm so excited. I'm ready to go play with the goats at Jackson Island Lake, or Jackson Lake Island. I need to look that up. I'll put like a little insert. But it's where they filmed the movie Big Fish, and they still have the old movie set there, so we like to go every time we go down there and just hang out with the goats, take pictures, things like that. It's another reason why I'm stressing out about not having a proper battery for my Canon, because I need to be able to take pictures. Anyways, I'm starting to ramble just a little bit, but I'm very happy with this palette. It keeps turning my face green because the light's just bouncing off of it. So yeah, I really like it. I know right now I saw it's on sale on Makeup Revolution's website. If you're interested in it, might as well grab it while you can save some money. In my opinion, I'm probably gonna go ahead and try and grab the black one that they have. I don't know the name of it yet. It's probably the Neo palette would be my guess. I'm gonna go ahead and just quit rambling and jump right in this video. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. So that was it. What do you think? Think you're gonna try and pick up this palette? You can see my little mini ring light reflecting off of it. I really like it. I'm super happy that I was gifted this palette. Thank you again, Madeline. I'll just keep saying it because it is such an awesome palette. I'm really excited to watch the movie. I'm pretty sure it's coming out on HBO Max when it's released. So if it is, then I'm gonna be watching it the day that it comes out because we have HBO Max. So yeah, fingers crossed. I'm pretty sure my husband said we'd be able to watch it that night though. So I'm excited. Today is Thursday, so tomorrow we are gonna go see the new Spider-Man movie. I'm excited about it. I just haven't been in a movie theater since before COVID started, so that'll be kind of interesting. Hopefully it'll be a lot of fun. We're gonna get home late because we're going to one of the late shows, so I'm gonna be completely exhausted on Saturday, but it'll be worth it, right? Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Definitely comment below and let me know what you think about the quality of this video. Again, I did film it on my iPhone, so please let me know what you guys think. As always, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe so you can see future videos I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.